What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be making a video on bike racing, and here we go. So, as you see, I already have a couple levels done, but those are very simple, and I'm not going to show you them unless if I get 10 likes, I'll show you all of the gameplay. Okay? If I get 10 likes, I'll show you all the gameplay. Two, one. Die. Oh, gosh, dang it. This video's already going off to a bad start. No, don't kill me. Okay, I'm just gonna try and reach the top now. Forget the coin. Three. No, 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 no. Don't kill me. No. 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 Stop doing stalkers. Oh. Well, at least he's taking a nice rest there. Ain't that funny? Yeah, I'm not funny at all. I'm just cringy, if you know what I mean. I'm stupidly boring cringy. Oh no. I need to do a stoppy. If you want to get this game, guys, just go check it out. I don't know, I'll just give you the name and you can play it. I mean, you already know the name, but just go on your Play Store or App Store, whatever you play on, iPhone, whatever, and just search up bike racing. There you go. I'm not trying to make this video long. Come on, hurry. I do 5 levels on this game, or 6. I do 5 or 6 levels on this game every video I make on this. Because on my other channel I had a video on this, but I messed up because it was supposed to be for dirt bikes, you know. I have the stupids. Oh god. I didn't fail. I just died at the finish. But I basically still won, so ha! I need to go do other levels to get all. I need to get 3 stars in every level. Or at least 2. So let's do this one again. Just try not and crash this level. Don't crash. Let's do all coins and no crash. Come on! We can do it! You know what? Y'all, can y'all do me a favor and hit that like button, please? Because I don't know if you like this, so if you like this, hit the like button. If you don't, hit the dislike. I don't care what you do. You can do either or. Oh great, I'm stuck. Yeah, just let's try and get all the coins instead of trying to do no crash. Because I've already crashed like 10 times. And that really sucks. Ooh, don't hit that bomb. Yeah, I'm actually glad I kind of died at that moment so I could get the coins. Don't you dare die. Now I can go to the...
It's fun, it's addictive, and you can win real cash and prizes. I'm talking iPhones, iPads, MacBook Pros, gift cards, up to $3,000
Not sponsored, by the way.
cash. This game
These are fake.
is
Don't listen to
actually
these.
win this stuff.
Okay, that's all we have for today's video. Bye, guys. Oh, bye.